If you're thinking about buying or investing in Bybit, there are 12 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Compared to other finance apps like Coinbase or Binance, Bybit has some unique features and a few drawbacks that could impact your experience. First thing you should know is that Bybit primarily caters to crypto traders, focusing on derivatives, spot trading, and even NFTs. If you're coming from a platform like Robinhood, which doesn't offer advanced crypto trading, Bybit might seem a bit more complex, but it also provides much more versatility. Next thing to consider is the user interface. While some apps are known for their simple, beginner-friendly design, Bybit's interface is built with experienced traders in mind. This means there might be a learning curve if you're new to crypto, but once you get the hang of it, the platform offers powerful tools for advanced trading. The third thing is its low fees. Bybit is known for offering competitive fees, especially for spot and derivatives trading, which is appealing compared to competitors like Kraken or Gemini, where fees can add up quickly. For someone doing frequent trading, this could save you quite a bit. Next thing to know is the security. Bybit provides two-factor authentication and cold storage for assets, adding an extra layer of protection. Compared to other exchanges, this makes it a solid choice for those concerned about security, although no platform is ever entirely risk-free. The fifth thing to be aware of is leverage. Bybit offers leverage up to 100x on some derivatives, which can be incredibly lucrative, but also very risky. If you're a beginner, this could lead to substantial losses if you're not careful. The sixth thing is its mobile app, which is available for both iPhone and Android. The app is well designed, offering all the features you'll find on the desktop version. While apps like eToro might offer a more beginner-friendly approach, Bybit's app provides full functionality for traders who want to manage their assets on the go. Next thing to consider is the customer service. Bybit offers 24/7 support through live chat, which is a big plus if you run into issues. But be aware that some users have reported slower response times during peak periods, so don't expect instant help in every situation. The eighth thing is the educational resources. Bybit offers a variety of tutorials and guides, but it may not be as extensive as what you'll find on platforms like Binance Academy. Still, for traders who are willing to learn, these resources can be a helpful starting point. The ninth thing to know is the trading volume and liquidity. Bybit has a strong presence in the market, particularly in the derivatives space. This means you'll likely have no trouble entering or exiting positions, even with larger trades. But if you're used to trading on smaller, less liquid exchanges, it may take some time to adjust. The 10th thing is the staking options. Bybit allows you to stake certain tokens for rewards, which is a nice bonus if you're looking to earn passive income. Not all platforms offer this, and it's an area where Bybit has a bit of an edge over its competitors. Next thing to watch out for is the limited fiat options. If you want to buy crypto with fiat money, Bybit doesn't have as many options as larger platforms like Coinbase or Kraken. You'll have to rely on third-party providers for this, which could add an extra step to the process. The 12th thing is the community and social trading features. Bybit has a strong community of traders, and while it doesn't have as robust social trading features as eToro, you can still find helpful forums and insights from other users. In conclusion, Bybit is a good option if you're looking for a crypto platform with competitive fees, strong security, and advanced trading features. However, if you're just getting started and want a more user-friendly, simple alternative, you might want to check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.